how to create a Twitter account. So if you want to create a Twitter account, then all you have to do is go to the Play Store and then here search for Twitter and install that. And after installing the Twitter app, simply tap on open. And then here you will have an option which says login or sign up. Tap on that. And here you will have two options. One is continue with Google. You can either continue with Google or you can simply tap on create account. And here choose your language. Then tap on next. And here you have to enter your name that you would like to create an account on Twitter. So after that, enter your email and then your date of birth. And then after entering your information, tap on next. And here it is asking to customize your experience. So make sure to read all of this, and after reading, tap on next. And then here you will have sign up option. Tap on sign up and then you'll be ready to use Twitter. So this is how you create a Twitter account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.